Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious home-style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today, we are going to be making a lemon cheesecake. That is right, with some lemon curd on top. Super exciting. So it's my beautiful sister-in-law's birthday tomorrow, so I'm making a cake just for her. She had a special request just for something lemon, so she doesn't know I'm going to be making this cake for her yet, but I'm really excited to share it with you. Let's get to it. With this lemon cheesecake, it is in 3 parts. So we're gonna do the base, then we're gonna do the filling, and then I'm gonna do the lemon curd. So with the lemon curd, I do have a step-by-step video already up on my channel. Check that one out if you wanna see how to make lemon curd. And then for the other bits and pieces, the base and the filling that we're gonna do today, we're gonna set up a time lapse. I will also leave all of the ingredients in the description box for you. And for the full recipe to download and print for free, head to lebonbaker.com. Make sure you stay watching until the very end so you can see the beautiful, delicious result. But it's time to start baking and getting this beautiful lemon cheesecake underway. All right, my base and my filling, my beautiful lemon cheesecake is in the oven now. It's going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna check it at around 15 minutes, rotate it, make sure it cooks nice and evenly. So we're just gonna cook this until it's just set. So after that 25-30 minutes, I'm gonna turn the oven off, I'm gonna open up the door, and I'm gonna let the cheesecake cool completely in the oven. Then once it's done that, goes into the fridge, it's gonna chill overnight, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna add the lemon curd. And for the lemon curd step-by-step video, I'll leave the link up here for you and in the description box. Happy birthday, Brookie! This one's for you. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today, baking this beautiful lemon cheesecake. I hope you absolutely love it. And if you do love lemon recipes like me, like my sister-in-law, I have a ton of other lemon videos up on my channel. Make sure you check them out. I'll also leave some of those in the description box for you. If you do like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell as well, because I have a new video coming out every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!